Today, we will see the fastest method to find HCF. Find HCF of 12, 36, and 8 using division method or Euclid's algorithm. First, write the given numbers in ascending order. That is 8, 12, and 36. Step 1. Find the HCF of first two numbers, that is HCF of 8 and 12. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 12 by 8, we get 1 as the quotient and 4 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 4 becomes the new divisor and 8 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 8 by 4, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Got it? Step 2. Find HCF of 8 and 12 and 36. We know that HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Therefore, find HCF of 4 and 36. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 36 by 4, we get 9 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. In this case, step 2 is not applicable because the remainder is 0. So, move to step 3. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 12, 36 and 8 is 4. Got it? Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.